Everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are tackling an important topic, other set of essential JavaScript interview questions that can make a huge difference in your technical interviews. Whether you are a beginner looking to build a strong foundation or an experienced developer pushing upon your skills, these questions are crucial for showcasing your understanding of JavaScript in any interview setting. So, if you want to ace your next coding interview and deepen your JavaScript knowledge, make sure to watch to the end. Now, let's jump right in. What is the difference between function declaration and function expression? This is a fundamental question in interviews to test your understanding of function behavior, hierarchy, and scope. A function declaration defines the named function and is hoisted. It can be called before its definition in the code. A function expression defines a function and assigns it to a variable and is not hoisted. I'll give a tips for it. Use function declaration for utility functions and function expression for inline functions or callbacks. What is what is the prototype chain? This question is essential to test your understanding of inheritance and how JavaScript objects access properties and methods. The prototype chain is the mechanism by which a JavaScript objects inherit features from one another. Each object has an internal link to another object called prototype. Understanding the prototype chain helps in optimizing code and effectively using inheritance in JavaScript. What is the difference between synchronized and asynchronous JavaScript? Knowing this distinction is crucial for understanding how JavaScript handles tasks and why we use asynchronous programming for non-blocking operations. Synchronized code runs line by line and blocks further execution until a task is complete. Asynchronous code runs independently of the main thread, allowing other operations to continue while it awaits for an external task to complete. Use asynchronous code with promises or async or await for non-blocking operations like entry calls and timers. Explain the concept of callback function. Callbacks are the foundation of asynchronous programming in JavaScript, and understanding them is essential for coding in a non-blocking manner. A callback function is a function passed as an argument to another function and is executed after the completion of that function. Use named callback functions to improve code readability and avoid callback heavy by using promises or async or await. What is the difference between map and for each? This question tests your knowledge of array iteration method and where to map returns a new array by applying a function each element, while for each executes the provided functions once for each array element without entering a new array. Map returns a new array by applying a function to each element, while for each the provided function once for each array element without mentioning new array. Use map to read a transformed array and for each for side effects such as logging or modifying internal variables. What are default parameter in CSS? Default parameter are useful feature introduced in CSS that allows functions to have default values or parameters. Default parameter set a default value for a function argument if no value is passed during the function call. Default parameters can make the code more concise and avoid undefined mistakes. Explain the concept of strict mode in JavaScript. Strict mode helps you write cleaner code by catching common errors and preventing unsafe actions. Strict mode is a way to OPT into a restricted variant of JavaScript introduced in ES5. It prevents the use of undeclared variables and throws errors from unsafe actions. Always use strict mode in your code or add use strict at the top of your scripts to catch bugs early. What are template literals in CSS? Template literals are a way to make strict interpolation and multi-line string erasure. Template literals use backsticks instead of quotes and allow for embedded expression using dollar expression. Template literals use backsticks instead of quotes and allow for embedded expression using dollars. Use template literals for cleaner and more readable string concatenation. Use template literal for cleaner and more readable concatenation. Explain destructuring in JavaScript. Destructuring simplifies extracting properties or values from arrays and objects. Destructuring simplifies extracting properties or values from arrays and objects. Destructuring allows you to unpack values from arrays or properties from objects with nested variables. Destructuring allows you to unpack values from arrays or properties from objects with nested variables. Use destructuring from cleaner code when working with complex objects or arrays. What are JavaScript classes? Classes are a syntactic sugar or JavaScript prototype based inheritance introduced in ECMAScript 6. JavaScript classes allow you to create objects with constructors and methods, making inheritance easier and code more readable. JavaScript classes allow you to create an object with construction and methods, making inheritance easier and code more readable. Use classes to make your code more structured and modular. What is the use of object.keys, object.values, and object.entries? These methods are useful for iterating over object properties, making it easier to work with objects in JavaScript. Object.keys returns an array of the object properties name. Returns the object properties name. Object.value returns an array of object properties value. Returns an array of object property value. Object.entries return an array of key value pairs. Array of key value pairs. These methods are perfect for looping objects into for each or for how to make your code cleaner and more readable. What is event building and event capturing in JavaScript? Understanding event propagation is crucial for managing how events interact with different HTML elements. Event bubbling, the event starts at the target element and bubbles up to the parent element. Event starts at the target parent element. Event capturing or capturing phase, the event starts from the root element and goes down to the target element. Event starts from the root element and goes down to the target element. Event that stop propagation to stop an event from bubbling up, or event dot prevent default to prevent the default behavior. Use the capturing phase when you want the parent to handle the event before the child. These additional JavaScript interview questions with explanation and code examples are designed to help you build a strong understanding of core concepts. Mastering these questions can greatly improve your confidence and performance in interviews. Keep practicing these concepts and you will occupied for your next coding challenge. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your feedback or questions in the comments below. Good luck and keep coding.